Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope you have bank amazing profit. Let me share with you how my traders bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel and make sure you like this video. Alright, so let's move into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, and from yesterday we were long, and if you haven't seen my yesterday video analysis video, link is given in the video description. So yesterday we banked amazing profit. We also had a yesterday counter short trade here, and we were expecting a pullback at this level, which we had. A nice, beautiful bank amazing profit. And we also had a counter short trade at this level, which is I explained to you guys. You can see here resistance line, and price developed another pattern as you can see here. So we were expecting a short. We had a counter short trade here, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in entries and exit through intraday system. And if you look at here, this was the trade yesterday, as mentioned here, counter short trade. You can see here that was a beautiful pips, and I did in the Asian session explain to my trader there's still possibility of pullback based on the price action, and if the price does not develop any pullback, then look for if the price gonna break aggressive trade, safest trade, pullback. So you can see here price did not develop any pullback here, but develop a breakout. As you can see here, price could not maintain below this level, so that's the good sign. We have a breakout long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, explain my trader, you can enjoy pipping or move your stop loss at the break even, and then I update analysis instantly in the London morning session. Beautiful breakout and pullback long trade here, and afterwards trader, as soon as the price hit to the previous high, we were expecting there might going to be reversal, and that's what most of the traders was expecting, possibility of reversal. That's what I updated this analysis, guys. Look for this breakout. If the price can stay above this level, we are still expecting a long because the momentum is still bullish. As you can see here, price did not break, and that's what I explained through live audio commentary. And that was a beautiful breakout, and technically if you look at this, was another bull flag pattern, nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, as mentioned here and explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we were expecting a short trade here at the major resistance line, as you can see here at this level we were expecting here. So we also had a counter short trade here, as you can see here, but with a valid technical entry. As you can see, price broken. After the breakout, price retest, safest trade, look for this breakout, which is price nicely broken. And as soon as the price hit this level, which is you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And let's see. So we had beautiful short trade here, bank beautiful pips. All right guys, so let's move into the pound dollar. We had a good trade too. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, yesterday we also had such a beautiful long trade here. We also had a beautiful yesterday counter short trade here, and afterwards I was expecting continuation, but as this morning when I see the price respected here, could not maintain below this level, as you can see here, and that's we had a long trade here, beautiful. Then we had a short trade here, counter short trade here. Reason why technically we were expecting another pullback at this level, but if you look at in more details, so we have another price broken, retest and retest, expecting a pullback. So that's what we had, a beautiful counter short trade too. Let me share with you the entries, how I analyze entries. Okay, so if you look at here, and this morning, as you can see here, London morning session, price nicely broken. Explain to metal, look for this breakout, as mentioned here in 4-hour. We had a beautiful breakout after the bank's few pp's, pull back, announce another long trade here. We announced another long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, that's what you can see here. That's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had amazing trades. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, as you can see here, as soon as the price hit, we banked some profit. And if you look at here, price developed a double top here, and price was at the major resistance level. As you can see here, price broken this previous low, and beautiful counter short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had amazing trade on pound dollar. We had a very good trade on dollar CAD too. Let me share with you guys dollar CAD. All right, so dollar CAD, as I mentioned you yesterday in my previous analysis, you can watch that, link is given in the video description. tell me if the candle is gonna close below this level, then I'm expecting a short trade here, and even price is gonna break this level. So you can see here, price nicely broken. We had a beautiful this short trade here, and we also had a counter long trade. Let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday and refine the entries and exit and the price action. All right, so if you look at here this morning, you can see here this was the last night at the Asian session, because once the price broken and explained to material, look for another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely broken previous end and beautiful pullback short trade here, and bank beautiful pips. And after that, at the New York session, I also did this analysis and I explained to my trader guys, we have technically we can see here the price develop a falling wedge. There's a still possibility of long, but there is also possibility, as you can see here, as mentioned my analysis and the market. This is what exactly we teach with the live market, the price actions and the market behavior. I said to my trader, price might gonna shoot down and clean everybody and then come back here. That's first of all, as soon as the price broken, hit to the profit target, explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit. So what happened after that? You can see here, price shoot back straight away, and the price broken at this level, and explain to my trader, look for this breakout. And we have another breakout, price nicely broken, hit to the 200 EMA, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see guys, we train and teach all this price action with the live market. That's the best way to develop your trading skill, guys. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And that's the interesting part of it, through with the live audio commentary support, with the live intraday analysis. Or even if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I teach and train with the live market, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Places are very limited. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so most welcome. Or even if you are an experienced trader, as you've seen, this is purely price action trading. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, until next time, all the best.